I have the 12.6 by 3.9 inch hoop here, mostly used for sleeves. This one is a little bit different to install the brackets because, as you can see, it has multiple different options to put the brackets on. So I will show you how to install those, and it's specific to everybody's machine. So I'm just going to set the bottom piece off to the side, and then same thing, it came with the screws and an Allen wrench, and then the brackets were taped to the bag. And then I also have my hoop that came with my machine just as a guide for me. So there's multiple slots to put the brackets into. So this will be different for everybody's machines. And you have to go to your machine to determine where you're able to put your brackets. I have a pull-in EOM, so this will be the same for other pull-in EOMs, but pretty much you have to just act like you're going to be putting this into your machine. And then you see mine is hitting right there. So I can put it clear at the bottom. I could, however, move it up a little bit if I wanted my machine to be able to use this back area a little bit more. So I like to put mine right here, leaving a little bit of space at the bottom because I want to utilize this area a little bit more. All right, now that I know where I want my brackets, I will go ahead and open up the hardware. And then same thing, you want to line it up with where you had marked that you were going to put your brackets. And then you start with the center and just get it tight-ish. Basically, you just want it to hold the bracket in place while you get the other ones screwed in. Then you take your Allen wrench and you tighten the center. And then either the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter what you do next. And then there you have it. It's extremely easy. You're good to go, ready to use it.